I've got some good news for you. So starting from the 29th of August, that's 2 Tuesdays away now from the time I'm recording this, we are bundling Creature Kitbash along with Crowdrender for new annual subscriptions. So the way that works is from the 29th of August, if you subscribe to a new annual subscription, you will get both add-ons and they'll both be available to download from our website, which is really, really cool. Of course, I want to address the rather obvious question straight away of what if you're already on a subscription, how do you get it? Now, Creature Kitbash actually belongs to Jamie from Dragonboot Studios. Now, we can't give it away to existing subscribers. What we can do is give you a discount. So if you don't want to sign up for a new annual subscription straight away just to get Creature Kitbash, and I wouldn't blame you if that was a bit much, you can get it by sending us an email. We'll give you a payment link with a discount code. For basic tier subscribers, the discount's around 14%, and for Pro and above, it's 20%. Once we receive payment, you'll get a download link, usually within about 24 to 48 hours, because we're doing existing subscriptions manually at the moment. Alright, so for the rest of this video, let's go have a look at Creature Kitbash, how it works, and why I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so we're using Blender 3.6 and we're going to install this add-on, because that's what you have to do to use it. So we're going to go to install. It's going to end up in your downloads because you'll download it from somewhere, and it's about 153 megabytes because of all the assets, and you just install it. It's that simple. Then you're going to have to restart Blender, which is kind of a pain, but that's what you have to do. With Blender back up and running, now we have to put in an asset browser to see everything. So we're going to put in a vertical split by right-clicking over here and choosing vertical split. We're going to come up to the type of view we want, and we're going to go with asset browser, and then we can select all, or we can just select Creature Kitbash to hide all the hair stuff, and then you can see you've got all these assets. Now we're going to actually try making something. Now I am not a sculptor, so I'm going to do this really quickly. So I'm going to press N to bring out my toolpad. I'm going to press Tool, and then I am just going to grab like maybe these arms, going to highlight that. I'm going to select something, so I have to select this to stick things to it. So we're going to start mushing parts together. I'm going to click Add, and it automatically goes into mirror because we've got use mirror mode on. So if you didn't want to mirror, you can turn this off and it will just add just one part, and then you can use the usual grab, rotate, and scale to just do whatever you want. We will add a couple of things and I'll show you the joining real fast. So we click add part, put some arms on there, maybe move them a bit further out, a bit more towards the front. Cool, that sort of looks kind of freaky. I'll move them a bit up as well, kind of like pretend this cube has shoulders. And then what we're going to do is going to select the base cube again to make sure we add the parts to the base cube, not to the arms, because that would be weird. Okay, add part. Now we're going to stick the legs. I'm just going to rotate them a little bit out. Rotate them a bit out in the Y direction. And also scale them a little bit. Move them down. Move them in. Yeah, okay, that's about what I want. Now I'm going to select everything that I want to join together. I'm going to click Union. And now we're straight into sculpting mode. So that's the tool part of it. It allows you to very quickly bash things together, and then you're into sculpt mode and you can just start doing your whole sculpty thing. Obviously I've chosen a cube, probably not. Oh wow, that's a quick motorcycle. So I've chosen a cube. You might want to choose something with a bit more poly on it to do your sculpting. Now, this comes with a lot of assets. A quick glance through them here, you can see there's a lot of them, and this library is going to grow as well. Okay, so I'm not going to do a huge tutorial on this add-on because Jamie's already done one, and I think he's probably the better person to teach you how to use this add-on from the sculpting point of view. What I will say is, check out our website, because this is how you can actually get the add-on from us. So come to our website, here's the URL, it's discovery.crowd-render.com/download, and then if you want to get the bundle deal that we have, first of all, you will automatically get the download added to your download page. So you can see here I've got download Crowdrender. You'll automatically get another one of these for Creature Kitbash if you choose any of these options. So these are all yearly, so if you click on one of these, you'll see that you're signing up for a new annual subscription per year. So there is another way to get the add-on. If you're already subscribed and you don't want to cancel your monthly subscription and go on to a new annual one, you can simply send us an email to info@crowdrender.com.au. We'll check your subscription, and if you have a subscription, then we'll give you the discounts I mentioned. That's around about 14% for this tier, the basic one, and it's 20% for Pro and above. Well, that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you so much for giving us a little bit of your time and attention today. If you want to give us some feedback and you're happy to make that public, you can put it in the comments section down below this video. Otherwise, if you'd rather give us some private feedback, send it to info@crowdrender.com.au, which is the email up on the screen right now, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks everyone, take care now.